So guys, let me show you how to quickly reset this Go Plus Play speaker. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to turn it on by quickly pressing this power button. So it will light up and you will hear a chime, just like this. And now we need to press and hold this volume up and play buttons at the same time. And after this, you will see that the indicator will turn off. Just like this. And it means that our speaker has been successfully reset, and after we'll turn it on, it will automatically go in a pairing mode. So let's check it. I'm gonna press power button. And as you can see, the Bluetooth is blinking, so it is in a pairing mode and you can pair it with your device. So that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.